Hi guys, I'm progressing with the build of my jig-free cruiser bike here, and if you're still watching you're probably interested. If you're not still watching, well, I'm sorry I didn't make it interesting for you. I suspect the purest frame builders out there are probably choking on their almond milk lattes right now at the thought of building a jig-free bike with all these quality materials, but I'm pretty confident this is going to work out. Things look pretty straight and I think it's actually going to be quite a cool bike. Getting to the fun bit now, you can see that I have started putting in the front tubes of the bike and got some nice curvature, and I guess that real classic cruiser line starting to come together. I got to play with my favourite new toy today. That's this tube bender here to create those front tubes. The next step for me is, you can see I've flipped a tyre on the rim for the actual finished bike wheels. I'm going to use that as a dimension set to create the curvature I need for the chain stays and seat stays, and that should be quite nice. It should all fit together quite good. So today I'm in the lab with Ken, my guru, and he's just helping me through the steps in making the seat in carbon fibre. So I've put about, I don't know, 4 million layers of carbon fibre on it, I think, is it, Ken? So from here we're going to put the distribution down onto it and prepare to run the shot, run the infusion. So I've missed a few steps because it's really difficult to video yourself and make things at the same time. But here's the carbon seat fresh out of the mould. You can see I've just trimmed it up and given it a wash. So I can do the mountings next and probably a clear coat just to make it match the rims nicely. I'm running low on time to make my deadline, so I've had to skip a few steps. So sorry about that, guys, but I'll show you where I'm up to with the frame today. I've started mapping out, I guess, all the main tubes, and it's been a lot of fun actually, just sort of creating this nice kind of chopper curve you can see, and some nice bridges there. And one of the challenges I've had is how to mount this seat up to really get it to hang onto the seat. It's always a challenge in every custom build. And the inspiration came today from a GoPro mount, and you can see I've kind of scaled up a GoPro mount's principle. And yeah, we'll put a nicer bolt in there so that the purists can look me in the eye more than 30 seconds as they look over this bike and check out all its details. From here I've got to work out how to mount the seat with some nice fasteners too. And then we start the weld up process. Let's give you a couple more angles. So I'm going to weld it up now and polish all the welds and do all the paint and all the really interesting stuff that people get excited by. If you're interested in this build and you like some of our stuff, check out trisled.com.au/custom and see what other stuff we've built.